when you come back. In the last C++ lesson, we learned about loop control statement, which was while loop, right? We learned about while loop, its definition, characteristics, and its syntax with example, right? So also now in this video, we are going to write a C++ program to print reverse of number by using while loop, so as to be aware of how it works, right? So when we say reverse number, for example, you see here 2 3 4, in reverse will be 4 3 2, right? So to do this, we are going to use while loop, right? So first of all, we have to make variable declaration. We need two variables, number and other variable b, which will be used to compute this reverse number, right? So we need to enter this number and read it from the user, right? And this is the statement tell us that the reverse of number is the following one, right? So now we are going to check this one. We have to use a while loop. While condition here is that our number must be not equal to 0, right? Yeah, must differ from the 0, because we can't make the reverse of 0, right? So now the condition to check here is this one. Our b must be equal to our num modulus 10. To mean that here this is a remainder, right? We have to take num modulus 10. So we have now to say out this remainder here, which is b. Say out b here, right? So now after sorting this b, we are going to count or to compute a new num. Our new num will be equal to our num divided by 10, right? This one, you see? So this is a program to print a reverse, because when you say the reverse is like a combination of remainders, that's why we print out the remainders, right? So let us make a compilation to check whether there is any error or not. If is there, we can collect it, but fortunately there is no error. Let us run our program, right? Yeah, to run our program, for example, as written here, let us enter like 234 like this, and see the reverse is 432, as I already said, right? So you can enter another number like this. Let us enter like this one, you see, to mean the reverse will be equal to 5432, right? You see, 5432. So this is how you can write C++ program to print the reverse of number, right? Yeah, and this is the end of today's lesson. Please, if you are new here, it's time to make subscribe, to like this video and share it to your colleagues so that they can get full access to our lessons. So thank you. Let me see you in next video.
Thank you.